Hey guys, just thought I'd make a quick update on BTC. I was so close this morning. I think I entered it somewhere around there and literally got out just above the 100 after it. I mean, my plan was right and it's worked because it didn't really hold the 100. It serves me right for getting in on the 15 minute, but we flopped over like a fish, like I thought we would do under the cloud. So it was close, but made the decent gains on Alice and Alpha, so can't complain. Um, yeah, it looks like we are even just breaking under the 0.382 at the moment on the 15. So I think for now it's continued kind of bearish. I'd be looking for some bullish divergence on the RSI on the 10 or 15 minute to see if we could get a bounce, but there's no sign of that yet. So I wouldn't be surprised to see us chop and bounce and drift a bit lower. Just quickly, if we click to the hourly, we've closed in the cloud and it's not making any sort of reaction just yet. I mean, the MACD doesn't even look like it's going to cross for a while, so wouldn't surprise me for the next few hours to see us drift around here. Might get some choppy bounces obviously, but once we're in, it does tend to go from one side to the other, so it wouldn't surprise me to see us come out somewhere around that 0.5, and then, well, we'll see. There's an open bar there that might need to get closed out. So yeah, I've gone back to being a bit bearish. I've still got my alpha short open unless it's profit, unless the targets have been hit, but Alice I'm all but closed out as well, so we'll just see on BTC. But for now, I wouldn't be surprised to see it drift down a bit lower.